Hello students, this is Sumit Bose and I am from the Bodhi Academy. Today we are going to learn the grammar chapter, adverbs. Now the question is, what is an adverbs? Okay, we will look at that, shall we? Yeah. Adverb, what is an adverb? Adverb is a word or a phrase that modifies a verb, adjective or other adverbs. Okay, it modifies verb, adjective or other adverbs. Example, the horse ran quickly. Now, which is the verb here? Ran. How did the horse ran? Quickly. So, it is modifying the verb. So, these are the adverbs, okay? And so, we will check now how many types of adverbs are there, okay? There are 5 types of adverbs. Number 1, adverb of manner. Number 2, adverb of time. Number 3, adverb of place. Adverb of frequency, fourth one, and the fifth and the final one is the adverb of degree. Okay, now we will check the first example, that is adverb of manner. The adverb of manner, okay, the adverb of manner is directly linked. In shortcut, the adverb of manner is directly linked with the verb. Okay, again I've used the same example. The horse ran quickly. So what is the manner of this verb here? Quickly. As this quickly is indicating the verb's manner, that's why it is known as the adverb of manner. I hope you understood it. Shall we skip to the second one? That is adverb of adverb of time. Okay. Okay, let's start. Simple. In one word, adverb of time will modify or indicate time. Okay. It will indicate time. Just check on the example. She will come soon. It is indicating time, right? She will come soon. So adverb of time indicates time. Simple. We go on to the next one, that is adverb of place. Okay. He lives nearby. It is indicating place. Adverb of manner modifies the verb. Okay. Adverb of time tells the time. Adverb of place indicates the place. She lives nearby. Somewhere, or another example, somewhere she lives here. She lives here somewhere. Okay. So it is indicating a place. Even it is vague, but it is still indicating a place. The fourth one. The fourth one is adverb of frequency. Okay, it will indicate frequency, means how often, or it will indicate the ratio of the verb doing, okay, of the coming. Okay, for example, I often go there. I often go there, so it is indicating my frequency. She often comes here. For example, we could look at this example. She often comes here. So it is indicating frequency through the word often. So that's why this often is an adverb and it is known as the adverb of frequency. Why? It is indicating frequency. Simple. Next is adverb of degree. Okay, the adverb of degree will indicate the adjective. Okay, for example, the flower looks very beautiful. Now, how beautiful the flower is? Very beautiful. Okay, it is dialect. Now, adjectives, we use adjectives to do the degrees, right? Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay, so adverb of degree, in simple terms, will modify the adjective. I hope you all got it. Now we will check on some more examples so that we can understand more about it. Okay, let's start. So these are the 5 examples I'm giving, okay, so that you can understand, all of you can understand more vividly the, and you can all of you can understand the distinction from each of every segments, between the each and every segments. The first one is Lata sang the song sweetly. Now singing is a verb here, right? And how did Lata sang the song sweetly? So it is indicating, it is modifying the verb, hence this will be regarded as adverb of manner. Okay, we go to the next example. Okay, she came late to school. She came late to school. So it is clearly highlighting or indicating time. When did she came? She came late. So without any doubt, we will write this as adverb of time. Okay. Next, we go to the next example. She sometimes go to school. She sometimes go to school. So here they are indicating the frequency of her going to school, right? So without any doubt, we can write this one. This is adverb of frequency. The next is she will go to the nearby shop. She will go to the nearby shop. So don't it is indicating place, right? Maybe it is not specifying it, but it is indicating place. That's why it will be known. It can be nearby shop. So it is clearly we can say that it will be adverb of place. The final one is the girl wore a very beautiful dress. Now beautiful is an adjective, right? Beautiful is an adjective. Now the word very is modifying the adjective beautiful, right? How much beautiful? Very beautiful. So the girl is wearing a very beautiful dress. So without any confusion, we will write here adverb of degree. Why? Because this is modifying this adjective which is beautiful, right? So without any doubt we can all say that it will be adverb of degree. I hope you all understood the grammatical chapter adverb, and if you have any queries for more details and information, please contact the Bodhi Academy.